Baška on the island of Krk is a lovely coastal village and one of Croatia's most popular holiday spots. This holiday resort impresses with a beautiful postcard scenery situated in the lovely harbor of the Baška Valley and surrounded by an imposing mountain background. Originally a modest fishing community, the town now attracts visitors with a wonderful tourist offer, including lovely beaches, magnificent sights, and various hiking and biking options. Baška is also known for Vela Plaza, a 2-kilometer long pebble beach that is perfect for a swimming holiday. Another feature is the picturesque old town, with its colorful town houses directly on the beach, where fantastic restaurants and quiet cafés create a magic atmosphere. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Baska's historic town is one of the resort's most beautiful attractions. They form the tourist center together with the lovely seaside promenade. The colorfulness of the townhomes, which were constructed close together and conjure up a pleasant and romantic scene, will wow you as you walk along the cobblestone alleys. A walk through the historic town center exposes attractions including the 1722 Sveti Trojice Church, the Baska Museum of Local History, and the modest aquarium. The beachfront promenade of Baška, on the other hand, is a must-see. It runs from the little harbor through the old town to the resort's lovely main beach. The lovely Velaluca Bay is undoubtedly one of Baška's most beautiful attractions. You may get to this magnificent natural beach by taxi boat from the harbor or by hiking for around 1.5 hours. Hiking trail number 9 through the mountains or trail number 8 along the shore and farther into the Verzenica Gorge are both highly recommended. The viewpoint Rebica, which offers the most breathtaking panoramic view of the two bays Vela and Malaluca, is spectacular and the hike's highlight. Baška hiking maps are available at the tourist office. The Vela Plaza is Baška's lovely main beach, and many consider it to be one of the most beautiful beaches on the entire island of Krk. This white pebble bay, about 2 kilometers long and just close to the ancient town, captivates with turquoise, sea colors and stunning backdrop. You'll pass through amazing restaurants and beach bars along the road, all of which contribute to a fantastic holiday scene just behind the beach. The Vela Plaza is where the majority of the hotels are located. Not only Baška is worth visiting, also the surrounding area is absolutely amazing. You may take fantastic day tours from the resort to the top sites on Krk Island, as well as explore the offshore island world. The picturesque city of Krk is only a 20-minute drive away, and it offers a variety of activities as well as a vibrant nightlife.